Finally, everybody, finally, we have the printed fabric for our print Game On, which is the TQS 2026 Block of the Month designed by Becky Goldsmith. Now, Becky did a print version, and of course, we have the solid version that you've seen, and she did it out of her own fabric. So when it came time to pull the fabrics, Kristen did an absolute bang up job. Let me show you what we have going on here. I couldn't stand it. I had to take some out, but I just, look at these. They're just, well, that's a color I haven't seen. This one here. And let me just kind of go through here. Oh, you need zebras. Go up some more. Kristen, you did an A+ job. Of course, then we have the backgrounds, and they're all different, very, very subtle. Oh, but wait, there's more. Here is the second bag. There's actually 2 bags. There's so much fabric in this. There's enough fabric that you can mix and match and play and do your own thing and make it your own game board. So let me just flip back some of these. Yeah. Hey, I just have to get this kit for my stash. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Now, the print version has a little more fabric in it than the solid, and plus solids are a little less expensive, so that's the price discrepancy. Anyways, we have a limited amount of these. If you want them, do it now, because when these guys are gone, they are gone. Hey, game on.